Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the most important question of the JEE mains in previous year questions. Someone asked to me. Now you can explain about this question. Once you check it, a particle moving with a velocity v bar is equal to k into y of y I cap plus xj cap. Here k is constant. Then what is the general equation of this condition? So let's go and watch it. First of all, given data, that is v bar is equal to k into y I cap plus xj cap. This is the given. Okay, here k is constant. Of course, this is the, once you check it, this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Finally, we can write like this: v suffix x is equal to y. Understand? V suffix x is equal to y. That means finally this is also, we write you like this: dx by dt. Understand? At the same time, uh, v suffix y coordinate, that is x, finally this is also write like this: dy by dt. Of course, understand, because a particle moving with velocity v at the same time, as the at that time will also calculated. Then v of x, v suffix x divided by v suffix y is equal to y divided by x is equal to dx by dt divided by dy by dt. Finally, v suffix s, v suffix y is equal to y divided by x is equal to dx by dy. Understand? Dx by dy. Here finally y by x is equal to dx by dy. This is the final conclusion. Here we take this like this: y dy is equal to x ds. Finally, we applied both sides integration. Then integral y dy is equal to integral x dx. Understand? Finally, this is y square by 2 is equal, this is x square by 2 plus c. You know integrations. So integral y dy. Understand? This is y square divided by 2 is equal to x square divided by 2. This finally, here 1 by 2 is common. Here write like this: 1 by 2 into y square. As the same time, here also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into x square plus c. 1 by 2 cancel. Final ga y square is equal to x square plus c. This is the general equation of this question. Most important previous questions from vectors. If you have any doubts, ask me in comment section. Thank you.